welcome to Project Manager to CEO channel. Today we will go through 3 managers, 3 completely different jobs, project versus program versus product. 3 job titles. All say manager. All completely different jobs. 60% of professionals cannot explain the difference accurately. Companies hire the wrong role and waste millions every year. Talented people spend decades stuck in the wrong career path. Today that confusion ends for good. Point 1. The project manager. This role owns one specific, time-bound deliverable. Example, build and launch a new app by Q3. Every project has a clear start and end, and fixed resources. The project manager controls scope, schedule, budget, and risk. According to PMI, poor project management wastes $122 million per billion spent. They use Gantt charts, risk registers, and weekly status reports. When the project closes, their job on it is done. Point 2. The program manager. A program manager oversees multiple related, interdependent projects. Imagine a digital transformation involving IT, finance, HR, and marketing. Each department runs its own project stream. The program manager aligns them all. They manage shared resources, cross-team dependencies, and escalation paths. They do not deliver tasks, they keep the portfolio on course. Think air traffic controller, not the pilot. Point 3. The product manager. This role owns the what and the why of a product. They decide what gets built, for whom, and why it matters. Unlike a product has no end date, it evolves indefinitely. A product manager at Spotify decides which features ship next quarter. They own the roadmap, user experience, and revenue outcomes together. They sit at the intersection of engineering, design, and business daily. Their North Star is customer value, not a project close date. Point 4. Scope and authority differences. This is the sharpest line separating all 3 roles. Project managers control a temporary scope, one initiative at a time. Program managers control a broader scope across multiple teams and budgets. Product managers control an entire product's strategic direction indefinitely. Project managers have authority over timelines and allocated resources. Product managers have authority over what gets built and why. Program managers have authority over how all teams coordinate across the portfolio. The scope you own defines your title entirely. Point 5. Reporting structure. Reporting lines reveal real influence inside any organization. Project managers typically report to a PMO lead or department head. Program managers report to a VP of engineering or director of operations. Product managers report to the CPO or the CEO directly. This reflects the strategic weight each role carries. The closer you are to defining the product, the higher you sit. Blurring these reporting lines creates expensive organizational confusion fast. Point 6. Salary data from 2024. Let's talk real numbers. Project managers in the US earn $85,000 to $120,000 annually. Program managers earn $110,000 to $160,000 on average. Product managers command $130,000 to $200,000, often more in tech. Google pays senior product managers over $250,000 in total comp. The pattern is clear: proximity to product strategy raises your ceiling. This is about the decisions you own, not just titles. Point 7. Skills and tools each role requires. Each role demands a different primary skill set. Project managers need scheduling, risk management, and stakeholder communication. Their tools include Jira, MS Project, Asana, and risk logs. Program managers need cross-functional leadership and influence without authority. They navigate competing priorities across multiple leaders and teams. Product managers need user empathy, data literacy, and market instinct. Their toolkit includes roadmaps, A/B tests, user interviews, and OKRs. Your natural strength points directly to your right role. Point 8. Which role fits you right now? Here is the honest filter most career guides skip. Love ticking off tasks and hitting precise milestones? Project manager. Thrive connecting teams across complex multi-team dependencies? Program Manager. Obsessed with users, market problems, and building things people love? Product Manager. Most people fall into a role by accident, not design. Choosing deliberately puts you 5 years ahead of peers who just drifted. Your career clarity starts with one honest self-assessment today. Here is your action for the next 10 minutes. Open LinkedIn right now and search your target title. Read 3 real, current job descriptions line by line. Write down every required skill you already have. Then write down every skill you still need to build. That gap list is your personal career roadmap. Start closing one skill gap this week and your trajectory changes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like it. Subscribe to get new videos every week. Drop your questions in the comments below. This is Project Manager to CEO. See you in the next one.